Okay, so hello people. So today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 1814, that is count nice pairs in an array. And in this, you are given an integer array nums that consists of non-negative integers. And let us define a function rev x, that is reverse of x is a non-negative integer. For example, reverse of 1 to 3 will be 3 to 1, and reverse of 1 to 0 will be 2 and 1. Okay, and a pair of indices ij. And then a pair is nice if it satisfies the following condition, that is 0 I should be less than j, and nums I plus reverse of nums j should be equal to nums j plus reverse of nums I, or what we can say that num I minus reverse of okay, let me just zoom in. Nums I should reverse of nums I should be equal to nums j minus reverse of nums j. Okay, so this condition should be satisfied. So what we can do, we can just simply exchange both of these values, like just solving a simple mathematical equation. Okay, so this is the main thing which will be considering on. And if you are able to recognize this pattern, then 50% of the problem is solved. Okay, so now first let's start by declaring uh, let's have a declare array. Let's call it reverse value, that will be of the length of nums only, equal to nums dot length. Okay, new int nums dot length. And look, let's define a function that will be private int type. Let's call it reverse. No, okay, reverse number, and here rev and reverse number will be same only. Okay, reverse number, that will be taking parameters as integer, and what it will be doing is let's have a variable. Let's say t rev, that will be equal to 0, and then while n is greater than 0, rev will be equal to rev into 10 plus n mod 10, and then we'll be decreasing the number by, or not decreasing, we'll be dividing the number by 10, and then at the end we'll be returning reverse of that particular number. Okay, so here let's have that for int num in okay, let's use simple for int I equal to 0, I less than nums not length I plus plus rev value I will be equal to nums of I minus reverse number nums I. Okay, and then what we'll be doing, we'll be using a hash map data structure, that is we'll be declaring a map of integer comma integer map, that will be equal to new hash map, and then let's have our insert variable, that will be 0. Okay, let me zoom in also, sorry, I just forgot that. Okay, that's too much. Yeah, this is enough. And let's have a modular variable also, mod, that will be equal to 1. Okay, first let's int 1 e 9 plus 7. Okay, and then for int num in rev value, what I'll be doing, answer will be equal to answer plus map dot get or default, that if that number is the reverse of that particular number, we'll be adding it to the answer variable, uh, num comma 0, and let's just do the mod of it, and in the map we'll be putting map dot put num comma map dot get or default num comma 0 plus 1. Okay, and at the end we'll be simply returning answer. Okay, now let's run it, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and it works completely fine. Okay, so okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.